The DJI Mini series has already changed the way creators, travelers, and even beginners capture the world. But now, the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the biggest leap yet. Leaks suggest this compact drone could feature a brand new 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, up to 50 minutes of flight time, and smarter AI tracking that makes flying easier than ever. Imagine professional-level image quality, longer battery life, and next-gen obstacle avoidance, all in a drone that fits in the palm of your hand and stays under 250 grams. In this video, we're diving into the truth about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, its rumored specs, price, and why this compact powerhouse could redefine the future of drones. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. When we talk about drones that have revolutionized the way creators, travelers, and even casual users capture the world, the DJI Mini series often stands at the center of that conversation. For years, DJI has dominated the drone market, consistently setting benchmarks for aerial photography, videography, and flight performance. From professionals flying the high-end Mavic series to beginners experiencing flight with the affordable Mini lineup, DJI has crafted solutions for every tier of the market. Now, with the leaks, rumors, and mounting anticipation surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro, we may be on the brink of another seismic shift in compact drone technology. The truth about this drone isn't just in its features, but in what it represents for the future of accessible aerial creativity. To understand why the Mini 5 Pro is causing such a stir, it's worth retracing the path that led here. The original DJI Mavic Mini, released in 2019, completely rewrote the rulebook by being the first highly capable drone under 250 grams, a weight category chosen deliberately to bypass strict aviation regulations in many countries. Despite its small size, the Mavic Mini offered respectable flight times, stable footage, and a user-friendly design that made drone flying less intimidating. Then came the Mini 2, which improved on the camera, boosted transmission range, and offered raw photo capabilities, making it far more appealing to creators who wanted quality without investing in a Mavic Pro or Air series. The game truly changed with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone blurred the line between entry-level and professional use, introducing advanced features such as obstacle avoidance, vertical video shooting, a larger sensor for better low-light performance, and intelligent flight modes once reserved for pricier drones. Suddenly, a drone under 250 grams wasn't just about avoiding regulations. It was about achieving professional-grade results in a compact package. The Mini 4 Pro built upon that success, refining its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, extending flight time, and pushing transmission stability even further. Now, the DJI Mini 5 Pro enters the spotlight, with rumors and leaks suggesting that DJI is about to redefine compact drones yet again. The truth about the Mini 5 Pro is that it may no longer be just a compact drone. It could be the ultimate fusion of portability, intelligence, and power. One of the most talked about aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. The leaks point toward a new sensor, possibly larger than the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 4 Pro, and potentially even reaching a full 1-inch sensor. If this holds true, the Mini 5 Pro could rival the image quality of drones like the Air 3 while maintaining its ultra-lightweight form factor. Imagine capturing 4K at 120 frames per second, 5.1K cinematic video, or HDR footage that looks closer to what you'd expect from a professional-grade rig.